Guys, I got back from golfing, and after that, actually no, I just got back from golfing, and guess what I just got? I'm just joking. This is the Spirit Halloween chainsaw. I got this from SpiritHalloween.com. My dad ordered this. It was from I don't even know what it was. But this thing, I'm gonna scare so much kids with this. I'm gonna scare so much kids with this. I'm serious. I'm kind of joking. And it also says it was made in spirit because you can tell. It says full. It doesn't want to focus, so it says spirit. I think yeah. This is the actual Spirit Halloween chainsaw. And also, on the other hand, also got Freddy Krueger claws. I have the claws. Yeah. So I'm gonna become Twisted RX. I'm gonna become my version of Freddy Krueger become my version of Freddy Krueger. Yes. My fan-made version of Freddy Krueger. My very own version. Now his design is a little more not like Freddy Krueger, but he sort of has a little bit of what he has. Like, for example, he has the claws. Pretty cool. And the second thing that he doesn't have is he doesn't have boots. Well, he does have boots, sort of. Well, black ones. He doesn't have brown boots, overalls, and a blue shirt. A long sleeve. I just got back from golfing. This is actually crazy. Having a... Okay. This is crazy. My collection is complete. You better subscribe or else Freddy's gonna come into your dreams. I'm just joking, guys. I don't even know why I'm saying this, but I just got the claws around last Thursday, like this Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday. Or I don't know. I got them, or I don't know. I just want to show you guys I have like the Freddy Krueger claws. I got these from last Thursday. Yes. And also this. I got this today. It's really incredible. I wonder what this looks like on full screen. I will take a picture. What would I look like? I will take a picture. Like and subscribe for more, boy!